All right, guys, let's check out this 1974 Buick Lesabre convertible. She's absolutely beautiful. Paint is in excellent condition. She has a few minor blemishes and imperfections, but overall, she's in great shape. She got 26-inch Rucci wheels. Convertible top functions as it should. She got a 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Unfortunately, she already sold, guys, but she's in excellent condition. Interior's in good shape. She needs a window switch for the driver door. She got an aftermarket Rucci steering wheel. Seats are in great shape. No rips, tears, or stains. Upper dash. Lower dash. She does have a center console with a stereo, some speakers. Back seat is in great shape as well. And the center console comes all the way to the back. She has speakers back here also. Let's start her up. Fire right up. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. All the creature comforts, guys. What y'all think? Drop down in the comments. I think she's absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, we got a 1996 Chevy Impala SS. She has 24-inch Culture Classic rips. Paint is in excellent condition. She got the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LT1 350 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Bucket seats, console. Dash is in excellent shape. Headliner good. Back seats are in excellent condition also. Package tray nice and clean. To start her up. She reached a little over 35,000, guys. Running like a sewing machine. Got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think of her. She's absolutely beautiful.